Here's 3 things you can do for 2023 to boost your occupancy to the highest level possible. Number 1, TripAdvisor. Claim your TripAdvisor listing, update your descriptions, update your photos. Simply go to the bottom of the page of your TripAdvisor listing, claim your listing. From there, you can update your photos, update your summary, and update all of your amenities. You can also update your property's name if it's incorrect in any way, and you can also remove old reviews. Look at the link to the video in the description of this video to follow along on how to do all of this. Number 2, run a campaign on the OTAs. Go to booking.com, go to the promotions tab, hit start a promotion, and look at all the promotions and campaigns available. Expedia, go to the marketing tab, then go to the promotions tab and the campaigns tab. From there, you can run promotions that'll go out to millions of their subscribed users every single day. You'll also get these brightly colored green and yellow tags to get your hotel boosted and booked even more. Number 3, Trivago. Trivago has almost 500 million users. Trivago is a meta-search site that compares your hotel's booking engine prices with all the other hotels' booking engine prices. What makes Trivago so unique is they don't do this for rental car companies, they don't do it for airlines, they only do it for hotels. All you have to do is register yourself on Trivago Business Studio. There's a link in the description. Once you find your hotel, claim it. From there, you can update your photos, update your amenities, and even update your summary. Good luck in 2023. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask and share this video with all your friends.